Hello everyone. Today we are going to do the question answers of the window chapter 7. So let's start. Question number 1. Why had Frampton Nuttall come to the rural retreat? Frampton Nuttall had come to the rural retreat to undergo a nerve cure. Why had his sister given him letters of introduction to people living there? His sister had given him letters of introduction to people living there as he did not know anyone there. She knew that he would not speak to anybody and his nerves would be worse from mopping. That is why she gave him letters of introduction to all the people she knew there. Question number 3. What had happened in the Sepleton family as narrated by the niece? The niece told Nuttall that about 3 years ago, Mrs. Sepleton's husband and her two younger brothers had gone for their day's shooting through the open French window. They never came back. In crossing the moor to their favorite shooting spot, they were all engulfed in a piece of bog. It was a wet summer and places that were safe in other years gave way suddenly without warning. Their bodies were never recovered. What did Mrs. Sapleton say about the open window? Mrs. Sapleton said that she hoped Frampton did not mind the open window. She told him that her husband and her brothers would be coming home directly from their shooting and they always came that way. The horror on the girl's face made Frampton swing around in his seat. What did he see? When Frampton turned around, he saw in a deepening twilight three figures walking across the lawn towards the window. They all carried guns under their arms, and one of them also had a white coat hung over his shoulders. A tired brown spaniel kept close at their heels. They neared the house noiselessly, and then a hoarse young voice said, "I see, Bertie, why do you bound?" Why did Frampton rush out wildly? Frampton rushed out wildly because he was in a chill shock of nameless fear. He was scared and shocked to see the three men who he thought were dead walking towards the open window. What was the girl's explanation for his lightning exit? The girl said that the spaniel was the reason for his lightning exit. She said that he had a horror of dogs. She explained that he was once hunted into a cemetery somewhere on the banks of the Ganges by a pack of dogs. He had to spend the night in a newly dug grave with the creature snarling, grinning, and foaming just above him. Is this a mystery story? Give a reason for your answer. Open Window is a mystery story. A young girl, Vera, tells Frampton about a great tragedy. Mrs. Sapleton's husband and two brothers had gone for hunting birds in the marsh. They were swallowed up in the marsh. She adds that her aunt, Mrs. Sapleton, always thought that they would come back. That is why they kept the window open through which they went out. Mystery deepens further when these men are really seen walking towards the window. You are familiar with the irony of the situation in the story. Remember the cop and the anthem in class 7 supplementary reader. Which situations in the open window are good examples of the use of irony? There's a irony of situation in the open window. Situational irony refers what is intended or expected and what actually occurs. The most ironical situation relates to Frampton Nuttall. He was suffering from nervousness and worry. He had come to the calm and quiet countryside for treatment. On the contrary, the story about Mrs. Sapleton's husband and brothers disturbed his peace of mind. Again, he wanted to avoid any further reference to the incident. But Mrs. Sapleton too referred to the open window just as the girl had. Besides this, Frampton had come with high expectations to this place, but he had to run away from the place. This was because the three men were seen walking towards the window. Which phrases, sentences in the text do you find difficult to understand? Select a few and guess the meaning of each. Rewrite a simple paraphrase of each. There are some phrases, sentences in the text which I found difficult to understand. Some of them are enlisted below. Bury yourself down there. It means you will feel very lonely. Came into the nice division. Can be placed in the category of the nice people. Over here, if you remember, Frampton's sister had given him a letter of introduction, a list of the people, and she has said that some of them are really nice. So over here, it means Mr. Frampton was apprehensive whether Mrs. Sapleton can be put into the category of nice people or not. An undefinable something about the room seemed to suggest masculine habitation. There was something about the room which could be described. It seemed to suggest that the room belonged to a man. Treacherous piece of bog. The bog was treacherous. Its surface was green, but underneath it was a wet, spongy ground. Flatteringly human. The girl's voice broke off. She was overcome by her human feeling of pity for her aunt. Whirl of apologies. Whirl means a rapid succession of activities. Here it means many apologies, one following the other quickly. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा सॉरी फील करना और बार बार उसे मेंशन भी करना. Sympathetic comprehension. Understanding the whole matter and showing sympathy to the girl and her aunt. So sympathetic comprehension means this. Romance at short notice, finding occasions of fun and enjoyment without time for preparation. Here, the girl has been referred to because she instantly came up with the story for Mr. Phantom as soon as he entered the house, and he told her everything about his situation, that he has never been here, he doesn't know anybody. So she quickly made up a story. So if you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and reading videos and explanation videos are also there. Thank you very much everyone.